Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can add transporter details or transporter master on TranZact. So you mostly require the transporter details to be recorded along with your delivery challan or invoices. Let us first learn the settings to enable transporter detail field on the documents. For that, let's go to the settings module. Now click on documents. Go to the document fields as you want to show the transporter detail field on the document. Click on options. Now here select the document type. For example, I have to show the transporter details on the sales invoice. So select invoice. Under purchase and sales, select yourself as a supplier as you are creating a sales invoice. Locate transporter details. Turn it on. Now you'll be able to find transporter details field on your sales invoice. Let's check it out. Go to the transactions module. I'm opening it in the new tab. Now click on create document. Click on invoice. Select the buyer. Now here, if you can see, it shows you the transporter name field. You can click on the same and select the transporter. Now where this PQR transporters came from? I must have added it somewhere. So where I have added this? Let's check it out. Let's go to the settings module again. Under documents field, click on transporter details. As you can see, PQR transporters was already added. Now if you want to add a transporter, click on add transporter details, which is highlighted in green. Add the transporter name. Add the GST number if you know. I'm adding a dummy GST number here. Click on save. Now, while adding transporter details on the document, it will also show me this option too. So let's check it out. Let's go to create the invoice again. To view the changes, I need to refresh the page. So here under transporter name, it is showing me the option which I have recently added. Likewise, you can add the transporter detail on purchase invoice too. For that, go to the settings module. Go to the document fields. Click on options. Select the document type as invoice. And under purchase and sales, select yourself as a buyer as you are creating a purchase invoice. Here, the transporter details is turned on. That means you'll find the transporter details field on purchase invoice too. For delivery challan, you get the transporter detail field by default. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.